Hello everyone, welcome to John Matt Classroom. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for trigonometric function. So given the situation, we have f theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta. Express f theta in the form of r sine bracket, we have theta minus alpha, where the r is greater than 0 and the alpha is in between, and where the alpha is from 0 until pi over 2 radian. Hence, find the maximum and minimum of the value for the f theta. So given the situation, we have 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta is equals to r, we have the compound angle, sine theta cos alpha minus r cos theta sine alpha. So kindly compare the situation where we have sine theta and we have the cos theta. So in here, we have 3 is equals to r cos alpha, and we have another one which is the 2 equals to r sine alpha. So after we compare the situation, next is to find the r, where we have 9 plus with the 4. So r is equals to square root of 13. Next, tangent alpha is equals to sine over cos, where we have 2 over 3. So alpha will be the basic angle. So in here, tangent alpha is equals to 2 over 3. So alpha will be equals to 33.69 degree. So based on the situation, question asks us to express in the form of radian. So based on the calculation, multiply with the pi and divide by 180. So the alpha will be equals to 0.588 radian. So 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta is equals to square root of 13 sine bracket, we have theta minus alpha. Remember, the alpha must be expressed in the form of radian, 0.588 radian. So that is the situation for the first part. Next, for the second part, find the maximum and minimum value. So in here, based on the situation, we have the sine bracket. So the maximum and minimum value for the graph sine. So given the situation, we have this type of situation. So maximum would be 1, minimum will be negative 1. Next, we have square root of 13 multiplied with the sine situation. So automatically, the situation will be maximum square root of 13 and minimum will be the square root of 13. So maximum value would be square root of 13. Minimum value will be negative square root of 13. So that is a situation for the maximum and minimum for the situation f theta. So kindly refers to the part B. Solve the f theta equals to square root of 13 over 2 for the theta which is in the form of angle. So in here we have two situations, which is green in color and blue in color. So my suggestion, I will pick the blue in color in order to answer the question. So first we have the f theta which is equals to square root of 13 sine bracket with the angle theta minus 33.69 degree. So here we have square root of 13 sine bracket theta minus 33.69 equals to square root of 13 over square root of 2. So if I simplify the situation, and I will have sine bracket theta minus 33.69 is equals to 1 over square root of 2. Or we may express the situation as square root of 2 over 2. Next, step number 1, sine positive. Meaning that the location will be in the first quadrant and the second quadrant. Second step is to find the basic angle. So theta minus 33.69 is equals to add sine for the situation 1 over square root 2. So we will have the angle 45 degree for the basic angle. Next, number 3 is the radian. Next, number 3 is the range. Next, number 3 is the range. So the situation given is start from 0 until 360. So by referring to the basic angle, we have theta minus 33.69. So what we have to do is to add on or minus with the 33.69. So here we will have negative 33.69 theta minus 33.69. And finally we have 360 minus with the situation, and we have 326.31. That is the range. Step number 4, based on the rotation. So as we can see, our basic angle is located in the first and the second quadrant because of sine positive. So next is to illustrate the situation. We have negative 3369. So here will be the starting point. So now we are going to rotate until this part where we have 0. Continue, we have 90. Next, keep on, 180, 270. Until this part we have 326.31. So state the situation. Then we are interested in this part where we have the intersection. So that is the solution for this case. So number 5, we have the solution. So theta minus 33.69 is equals to, number 1, we have the situation 45 for this part. Next, we have this part, which is 135 degree. So rewrite the situation, theta will be equals to 45 plus with the 33.69. So we have 78.69. 135 plus with the 33.69, and we have 168.69. So that is the situation for the question B. So here we are, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share, and subscribe.